हेलो 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 जी, सलाम नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल आदाब एंड या अली मदद। मेरा नाम जलाल लारा है और आप सब देख रहे हैं गपशप विद जलाल विथ मी, यस विथ जलाल लारा। कैसे आप सब लोग? ठीक है, मजे में, चंगा बला चकदे फटे है ना जी? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। अभी तो बहुत ही एक तरह की जो खुशी की न्यूज़ है कि हम आहिस्ते आहिस्ते पैंडेमिक से बाहर आ रहे हैं। लेकिन एक बात याद रखना कि हमने जो पैंडेमिक में हमने किया है, जो हमने सीखा है, जो नई नई चीज़ें हमने की है, जो है हमारे बहुत से लोगों ने जो है खाना पकाना सीख लिया है, या तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा जो है फैमिली टाइम मिल रहा है, वाइफ के साथ या तो गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ आपको टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिल रहा है, हम आहिस्ते से बाहर निकल रहे हैं। तो मेक श्योर कीजिए क्या कि जो आपने सीखा है, जैसे फैमिली टाइम हो गया, या तो आपने कुछ आपकी जो है यानी कि अच्छी आदत हो, तो वो फिर आपने जो है भूलना नहीं है, इवन दो कि जो पैंडेमिक खत्म हो जाए। इसलिए कि स्पेशली फैमिली टाइम है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप कभी मुश्किल में होंगे तो आपको जो सबसे ज़्यादा काम आने वाला है वो आपकी अपनी फैमिली है, आपके अपने बच्चे हैं, आपके अपने भाई बहन ही हैं। तो मेक श्योर कीजिएगा कि अगर अब हम जैसे पैंडेमिक से आहिस्ते से बाहर जा रहे हैं, तो जो अच्छी अच्छी आदतें हमने सीखी है उसको भूलना नहीं, उसको कंटिन्यू रखना। वो हमारा जो कि न्यू नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। और मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि हमने जो है पैंडेमिक में बहुत से हमने आर्टिस्ट देखे हैं जो दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में कोई ना कोई अपना लाइव कर रहे होते हैं, उनको हमने देखा है, सुना है, उनसे हमने बात भी की है। हो सकता है सोशल मीडिया पे आपने किसी से बात किया हो। तो आज की जो मेरी जो गेस्ट है वो भी इतनी प्यारी सी, इतनी सी बहुत ही अच्छी सी है और हमारे कैलगरी शहर से ही है। तो आपकी भरपूर तालीम में मैं उनको बुलाता हूं, वन एंड ओनली फरजाना खिरानी अहमद।
Thank you, Jalal.
Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. You know what? Like Farzana is one of my favorite name.
Is it?
Like Sophia, Farzana, Rani Mukherjee. Everyone knows. She's my favorite.
Yes.
Because like in Pakistan, Farzana was kind of the common name.
That's right.
But you're not from Pakistan.
No, I'm
Where are you
not from Pakistan. So I'm from Uganda, actually.
Uganda.
Yeah.
East Africa.
East Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, I was there until I was 4.
Okay.
And then we migrated to Canada.
So you were only 4 when you moved.
Yeah.
So basically you are Canadian. Like,
I grew up in Canada. All my formal education was in Canada. So yeah.
So always in Calgary?
No, originally we went to Quebec City, then Toronto.
Oh, Quebec City.
Yeah,
Okay.
then Toronto,
And
then I've been in Calgary.
so you like the Calgary the most?
I love Calgary.
Why is that? Because I know everyone like there are so many people who move from Toronto, Ontario,
Yeah.
from like
Yeah.
like to Calgary. They love Calgary. Why is that? Like,
I love
what's in
Calgary.
Calgary water?
Calgary is a wonderful place. It's not too big, not too small.
Exactly.
Right? A good place to raise a
Yes.
family.
Yes.
Mountains are close
Mountain,
by.
exact.
We
That's
can
the
go
best thing.
hiking. We can go skiing.
That's
It's
right.
great.
Yeah,
It's great.
Because
yeah.
because I always tell everyone it's a small city, but big. You can say city vibes. You can say.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because we have everything here. Mountains, like you said.
Yeah.
We have the arts here, music here, culture here, beautiful culture here.
Yeah.
And all we can you can say the like our South Asian community is here.
Yeah, yeah. Big South Asian community
South,
here,
yeah.
right? Which is really nice.
Yeah, and of course you are a singer, you are artist as well. So of course you are kind of in more like you are in touch with them more than me. Like you talk to everyone, go to their events and perform.
Yeah. Lots of events, lots of performances. It's been so much fun.
Also, yeah.
COVID has brought everything down just
That's
a little bit,
bring us closer, isn't it?
but it has brought everybody closer.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
brought the families together, right? You've connected with people on social media, just like
Yeah.
through your program, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
so many people have connected. I've actually met lots of people that I didn't know from before,
True,
which
true.
has been so fantastic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Through
yeah.
this pandemic. So
So tell us about about yourself, like when you start singing, because that's the whole main thing we have.
So yeah, I as a young child I was brought up in a house where Indian music was going all the time,
All the
right?
time, yeah.
My parents would take me to Indian movies, and I
Aha.
would love to go. And then my dad would play Indian music all the time. In our house, Indian music was there like all the time. It never stopped. Even on a Sunday morning when I was in high school, early in the morning, the Indian music was going, and I would tell
Yeah.
my mom and dad, "Oh, can you turn this off?" But now, because I have listened to Indian music all of my life, I absolutely love it. I love singing Indian songs.
Okay, can you talk in Urdu a little bit or no?
No, I
But
can't.
okay, not there
No,
yet.
Not there
Yeah,
yet.
yeah,
Yeah, and I understand some of it, but
Yeah.
can't quite articulate it. But yeah.
So being a South Asian woman.
Yes.
So how do you feel in Calgary?
I feel very safe in
Yeah.
Calgary. I feel very welcomed, and I don't feel like there's anything that I need to
Yeah.
worry about. Yeah.
Like, because I talk to like lots of outsiders, who come to Calgary, and they say, that this is the positive in Calgary. When you're walking in downtown or anywhere else in the park or something,
Yeah.
always people are smiling. They say hi, hello
Yes.
to you, but not in other provinces. I don't know.
I find that people here are very, very friendly,
Yeah.
right? And I think it also is because of the multiculturalism that's
Exactly,
here,
yeah.
right? Like there's so
Yeah.
many different varieties of people, right?
Yeah.
And I think everybody is very warm and welcoming.
Yeah,
I find it's a really nice city. Like I said, it's not too big, not
No,
too small. So
yeah.
everybody,
True.
and when you go out, sometimes you'll run into people that you know
Yeah.
because it's
That's
not
true.
that big of a city, right?
Yeah. Nice. So how long you been singing? Of course, you said from the childhood, but when you're growing up through your college, university days, you were still going.
I was singing kind of the Ginans through the
Like
prayers
through-
at
okay.
Jamaat Khana,
Yeah.
and that's kind of what got me inspired. And then
Uh-huh.
my dad actually passed away 10 years ago,
Okay.
and that's when I really started to sing.
Is that
I
right?
had my kids, and they were kind of starting to be grown up, and so I started to sing more.
Yeah.
So for the last 10 years, I would say I've been singing much more. Yeah.
Because when I heard about you first, I'll be very honest. So I didn't know who's Farzana.
yeah,
It was before pandemic.
right.
And then I found, okay, there is a Farzana with Salim.
Right.
Yeah, because I knew Salim from
Yes.
from my transit days.
Yes.
I was like, okay, there's a Farzana. And then of course, we started to, because of the social media,
Yeah.
so then we found out more about each other.
Right.
No, you are, mashallah, beautiful voice you have.
Shukr.
And it's getting better and better. Of course, I
Yes,
can tell,
yes.
and I think you feel the same way. So
Yeah.
why don't we have any lines, maybe in a couple lines of any song?
A couple lines of any song? Okay,
Please.
let's try.
Yeah.
Okay. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Wow, one of my
That's
the favorite
and a
songs.
classic
Classic,
song
I know, you
that
can-
everybody knows,
Everyone
right?
knows, everyone loves this
Yeah.
song. Eh?
And-
So you say you have kids. So is anyone is any of your kids in the music at all?
So actually, I have 3 kids, and
Yes.
I have a set of twins and an older son.
She doesn't look like it. Really.
Yeah, my oldest is 21.
Oh, mashallah.
So yeah, he is a big getting into music now and singing some rap music, hip hop artist.
there?
Yeah,
What's his name?
Cam Prada.
Cam Prada.
Yeah,
Okay. So he'll be coming on the show soon, guys.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
okay.
Yeah. And so he's actually doing fairly well,
Is
really
that right,
good.
yeah?
Yeah, singing, writing his own lyric songs.
He writes his own.
He writes his
Wow.
own. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then does the tunes, sings, records, and he's done a bunch of videos.
Yeah,
so he's
yeah.
all over. He's on Apple Music, Spotify,
Oh wow.
and YouTube as well.
YouTube as
so yeah,
well.
I'm not as popular as he is, but mine is just a hobby. So
Oh, but yeah.
Yeah.
So how was the pandemic for you? When you started first, what happened?
I'm a nurse, right?
Okay.
So I have been working through the pandemic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Which has been challenging, I have
Yes.
to say.
Yeah.
But just that slowing down, the pace of slowing down, I think has been really good for, everybody, right?
Yeah.
Our family, we spent family quality
Family time,
time
yes.
together, right? And I'm
Yeah.
sure everybody's saying that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And also when you have a little bit more time, you focus on things that are dear to you.
Yes.
Some of the things that you weren't used to doing, you have time
True.
to do, right?
Yeah.
Did we miss, the going out and the
Yes.
meeting friends? Yeah, we did miss it. But
Yeah.
of course, we connected in other ways, right? We
Yeah,
connected
true.
a lot through, social
Social media,
Zoom,
yeah.
all of that stuff, right?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
had lots of extended family Zoom parties,
yeah.
we did some singing parties
Yeah,
on
yeah,
Zoom,
true, yeah.
and we reached all over the world, right? So we
Yeah.
reached our cousins in Nairobi and all over England and everywhere, where we
Everywhere.
wouldn't really have had a chance to do that,
True,
right?
true,
So
yeah.
I think that has been really nice about
So you
COVID.
are a nurse. You said so because I know a lot of people ask, like not a lot of people, but there are a few who doesn't believe on the COVID-19.
Yeah.
Is it for real?
It is definitely
Yeah.
for real. Everybody, it's for real. Yeah. Go out, get your vaccines. That's all I
If
can
it's- yeah,
say,
if you're not-
right?
yeah, true, yeah.
I believe that.
It
Yeah.
is,
It definitely.
so we are
is
so
real.
in a different world now, isn't it?
Completely.
Like we are in a high-tech world, as you can say.
Yeah.
We are in a kind of social media, and there are so many new things are coming in. Like almost every day, new phones, new technology.
Yes.
And I don't know what's where it's going to lead us. I don't know, but I think you have to kind of put your feet everywhere. You think keep
Yeah,
at
yeah.
least keep some kind of knowledge. What is
Yes,
it? Yeah.
100%. And I see it like in my kids, right?
Yeah.
I see like all the different technology and things that come out and things they talk to me about, and I
Yeah.
say, oh my goodness, like when did this happen? When did
Yeah.
this start? Like how does this work? Now I feel like, my parents, I used to say to my parents, right? How come you don't know this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And now I feel the same way with my kids. Sometimes they'll say something to me and I'll be like, oh, I don't know how that works, But, they're learning and they grasp on so quickly, right?
Yeah, because my mom says because now like if you go on a train or bus or like anywhere
Yeah.
or any house party whatever, everyone is like they are on their phone.
Yeah.
And my mom always asks me, what are you, आप लोग क्या देखते हो phone पे इतना? Because we didn't have this thing, and now you can see anything, all the pictures are there. आपको जो भी देखना है, everything
Yeah,
is there now.
yeah, yeah.
And she feel like how come हमको ऐसा नहीं मिला था
Yeah.
when she was growing up. I
Yeah.
said this is the new thing, and
Yeah.
of course जब भी हमारे बच्चे बड़े होंगे, we won't get this thing.
Yeah, that's right.
is it?
That's right. So true. So true.
Yeah. So during pandemic, did you learn something new?
Did I learn something
New.
new? I think I practiced more singing.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we had more time to
Right.
to do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Anything for kind of cooking?
Yeah, I was going to say we did a little bit more cooking in the house, like
In the house.
together, all of
Yeah,
us,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because we were there, so
Yeah.
we cooked a few extra dishes that we wouldn't have ordinarily tried.
So I think, of course, all of us had kind of the more kind of like in family time now.
Yeah.
You're spending time more with the kids. You know what's
Yeah.
going on in the in the house. I
Yeah.
think it's a blessing to know each other even
Yeah.
more now, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And I think that closeness, really makes a difference,
Makes a
right?
big-
Because
yeah.
before we were like hurry, 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 rush, rush, rush everywhere.
exactly.
And now we didn't have to do that. So
Yeah.
you're actually spending really good quality
Yeah,
time
yeah,
together.
yeah. So of course, like music is your passion. So then, what do you get out of it? उससे क्या मिलता है?
Oh, just inner feeling of just happiness, and when you perform and you see other people enjoying,
Yeah.
you feel even better, right?
Yes.
Because you feel like, like I could sing all the time. If I didn't have a full-time job, I would practice singing 8 hours a day. But and we've sang a lot for our seniors in the community, and I love to sing for the seniors. They love those old songs, and I really like singing
Yeah,
those old
songs as
songs,
well,
right,
yeah.
for them. We've done lots of different performances, and I don't know, you just get this feeling of accomplishment,
Yeah.
joy, and it makes you so happy, right?
Yeah.
So anything
Because
could be
when you
wrong.
see smile on their face,
Yes,
it makes you happy.
yes,
right?
absolutely. And anything could be wrong, right? But then
Yeah.
you start singing, and all your worries go away,
Goes
right?
gone.
All your worries go away when you hear music.
So, Mazhar, how do you feel so far? Is
Yeah,
it good?
good. How am I doing?
जब ये शो पे आ रहे थे उन्होंने कहा था क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, she was so scared, लेकिन I'm sure
Is it
आपको
okay?
मजा आ रहा है, फरजाना को भी मजा आ रहा होगा, so don't worry about it. अभी जो है कमर्शियल ब्रेक पे मिलते हैं, ब्रेक के बाद जाना कहीं नहीं, आप सब देख रहे हैं गपशप विद जलाल लारक, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद, थैंक यू। जी वेलकम बैक टू गपशप विद जलाल विद योर फेवरेट होस्ट जलाल लारक। मेक श्योर कीजिएगा कि डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब एंड फेसबुक, ताकि कोई भी हमारा ये प्रोग्राम जब भी आएगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये प्रोग्राम जो है अभी आने वाला है। तो फरजाना हो जाए एक और गाना, म्यूजिक से स्टार्ट हो जाए
और
कोई भी?
एक गाना?
Yeah. कोई भी आपका फेवरेट हो जाए।
New song. Last
New
one
song.
was
Let's
an
do
old
new.
song.
Yeah, no.
Little bit of a
Go
new
for it.
song. Okay.
चक दे फटे।
मिले हो तुम
आहा।
हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से, तेरी मोहब्बत में सांसें मिली है, सदा रहना दिल में करीबों के नसीबों से चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful.
Neha
beautiful.
Kakkar, my
Neha
favorite.
Kakkar.
Nobody can sing like her, as good as her,
Yeah.
but we can try.
But you did your best. Yes, yes. So you've been performing during this like pandemic as well. So of course you met or you perform with other artists as well.
Yes.
So how was that feeling? Now there are so many artists around the world now. You can buy, you can talk to them, you can message them. It's so easy now.
No, it's great. First we started with just the Calgary artists, right?
Yeah.
We sang during the pandemic on the Northwest Ismaili platform, and
Yes.
then we sang. I sang on Sukun with Salim Punjani, and him
Yeah.
and I have been singing a lot together.
Right.
And then, of course, we've done some private music parties, like over Zoom during pandemic and stuff. We've sang at New Year's parties, that kind of
Wow.
thing. And then now, of course, we sang with you at at the Kamal Taj with so many other
Okay,
singers.
how was the
were
Kamal Taj
there.
experience?
Oh, very, very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice. Very,
So
very nice.
he's one of our living legend. Just to see him, because he was so excited and smiling, like he was
Yeah.
kept smiling for 3 hours continuously.
Yeah, it was great. It was
Yeah.
great. So we were so lucky. 2019, right? We got to sing together
With
with the
him.
whole ensemble
Yeah.
in Calgary, right? When he
Yeah.
came, so that was a memory that I'll never forget, right? And then of course the birthday celebration that
Well,
you did for him
that's
was
so
incredible,
super. Yeah,
incredible amount
beautiful.
of work you put in, and all the artists from all over the world, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
how nice that we could all come together on one platform
Yeah.
and perform.
It's it's thanks to, of course, new like new technology we have now. Now we
Yeah.
can bring everyone together and like on the one platform, and
Yeah.
people can watch it like it. Like it was all virtually, but it is possible now with
Yes.
the new technology, right?
Yeah.
So now, of course, like in Calgary market, if you just look at it, because there are so many artists in Calgary, in our community, South Asian community in general. So do you guys have enough support from people, from media?
I think it's hard to say because it's pandemic, right?
Right,
Because
yeah.
of COVID, right?
Yeah.
But I think that, like you said, Calgary is such a close, warm community,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I think it would be nice for us to engage with some of the artists that I've never sang with, and just connect with them. And
Yeah.
I think as things open up in the pandemic, hopefully, that's something that we'll be
Yeah,
able to do and connect.
Right. So during Diamond Jubilee, because I know there are so many people are watching from our community. How was your Diamond Jubilee celebration?
Oh, it was really nice.
Did you go to Portugal?
I didn't get
No?
to. I
Okay.
didn't go to Portugal, but I was blessed because the Diamond Jubilee, when it happened,
Yeah.
it was on my birthday.
Oh,
So for me,
Nice.
it was the best birthday gift ever. Yeah.
So did you perform kind of different venues here?
Yeah, we did. We
Is
did.
that right?
Yeah.
So it was, of course, like one of the memorable time for all of us.
very,
Right?
very memorable for all of us. Yeah.
So when you are singing or when you are doing stage performance, so what goes through your mind? कि मुझे क्या करना है, किसको देखना है, किस तरह करना है? What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah, like
So
when you do it.
when I'm ready to perform, until I get there, I'm very nervous.
Yeah.
As soon as I get there,
You
start
start.
the first song, and all of that goes away.
Goes away,
It
yeah.
goes away. Because you just start and you hear your voice, and then you look and you see everybody
Yeah.
that wants to see you, and
Yes.
you see them
They want you to
watching
sing.
you
Yes,
attentively,
exactly.
and then you hear them clap, or you see them smile,
Yeah.
or do something, or dance, and then it's like you're on a high, right? Like
Yeah.
this is something that I just love to do.
Yeah.
So
whole day, what do you do? Like, do you have your
Oh,
special day
yeah,
kind
yeah,
of you're getting ready for it?
Nobody in the house bothers me. I do. They all know my routine. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I get up. Everything is very calm. There's no tension at all. I actually make a special cup of tea that I drink before I perform.
Is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? Is
And
that kind of
it's
masala
just,
chai or
No,
something?
no, it's just an anti-inflammatory
Okay.
chai, so that nothing happens to your voice.
Uh-huh.
And and then basically the day is mine for me to get ready.
Do you do riyaz at all? Practice at all?
Every day do I practice? Yes, I do.
Oh, you do practice
every day, even if it's just 5-10 minutes.
Is that right?
But you have to do it every day.
Because I get so many artists, on my
Yeah.
stage here, but they always say, "Oh, yeah, some 2-3 days, 4 days later."
No, no, no. You have
But
to
you
do it
d-
every day, because
Yeah.
if you don't do it every day, then your
You lose,
voice
right?
loses. Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
So even if it's just 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Like,
At
and then
least
other
get-
days will be longer, right?
Yeah, at least give a test a little bit
Yes,
to your throat.
absolutely. Yeah. And you
Wow.
have to warm up and all of that
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
so.
yeah. So do you play any instrument?
I don't. I wish I did.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wish I did. My kids, one plays piano.
Oh, nice.
And I didn't finish telling you, my twins actually perform in musical theater, and so they are also on the art
Oh,
side.
is
Yeah,
that right?
I
Oh,
talked about my
mashallah.
older son, but yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's good. We've got music kind of in our family.
Oh wow! So
Yeah.
so do you play any sports at all? Like, if you're not doing any music, if you're not working, what do you do?
So in the winter, I'm skiing with my family.
ski?
We go downhill skiing.
Wow,
Yeah,
look at
yeah,
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the summer, we love to go hiking or biking.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
So we do that as a
Because
family.
I think this is the blessings because of Cali, because we have mountains so close.
Exactly.
So you can
exactly.
do all those things, eh?
Yeah,
Right?
exactly. So
yeah.
we, in the winter time, we generally try to go at least every Sunday if we can.
Is there?
If we can,
Ah.
yeah, yeah.
So have you been to Africa yet? Like your mother?
I haven't gone back.
No yet.
No, I haven't gone
Well, I
back.
think you would love to,
Yeah,
I
I
guess,
would
eh?
love to go. I would
Yeah,
love to
one
go.
day, inshallah,
One
soon.
day, one day, one day.
So when you're singing, and let's say if you if you forget one line or something, so then the panic comes, or you just you're
Oh no,
no?
you can't
just-
panic on stage.
No, eh?
You can't panic on stage.
So what do you want to tell our viewers? What do you do? Like
I have to give away my secrets then, right? No.
just for for the new people who are watching.
Oh yeah, no. You just have to stay calm, and if you make a mistake, it's okay. Like you just pick up and go like to the next line or whatever it is, right? And if somebody is with you, singing with you, then they know because
They know,
they will
yeah.
cover you, right?
Yeah.
And that's how it
Do
usually
you have your
works.
band? Do you perform with any band or
Yeah, we do. With the Jum band.
Jum band?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
of course,
yeah.
Salim
So
Punjani
Salim is
with you.
there. Hussein Virani is there as
Okay.
another lead singer, and then we have Nawaz Valji on the
I
drums.
should mention about Nawaz guy. I think
Yes.
because I met him the other day.
Yes.
He's just awesome, mashallah.
He's great.
He's so talented.
Yeah, and very helpful. Always
Very
willing
helpful,
to help,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And he actually knows so much,
So
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So of course, like all of us, we do so much voluntary here.
Yeah.
We spend our time,
Yes.
when you go to let's say senior house,
Yes.
or you're performing for
Yeah.
them, or if you're
Yeah.
doing any shows virtually, it's all
Yes.
it's all voluntary.
Yeah, yes.
So do you believe in the volunteerism?
Absolutely. I believe in giving back to the community
Yeah.
hundredfold, right?
I think it is our duty to
Absolutely,
yeah?
absolutely. And I think that if you can help somebody, why not, right? Share your knowledge. That's
Yeah,
what we're
yeah.
told, right?
Yeah.
Share your knowledge. And that's why when we did the Kamal Taj show, I thanked him for sharing his knowledge, because all of these songs he's created and we're able to share that knowledge.
Because I think this kind of knowledge, more you share, it's
Yeah,
better, right?
absolutely.
Is that?
Yeah, I 100% believe in voluntary work and giving back to the community.
So in your family in general, so of course like if there are any kind of get together, like not now, maybe before pandemic, when there's kind of the get together, family get together, so they always ask you to sing.
A lot of times,
like you are the target?
And you know what? When our extended family gets together, my brother also sings,
Oh.
and I have a sister in Toronto who also sings.
Oh my God!
She doesn't perform a lot, but she recites most beautiful ginans.
Yeah.
And my brother sings with me. We've done a couple of.
What's his name?
Shamash Kerani. So Sam, they know him as Sam
Yeah.
Kerani.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
Yeah.
what's the future for Farzana now? As an
Future
artist?
for me as an artist, I'm waiting to go back to singing live.
On
That's
stage?
what I'm waiting for on stage. Of course, more collaboration with the Jum band,
Jum
right?
band,
Getting singing with the band again would be really, really nice.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
would be nice.
Yeah.
And of course, you've been to my Coffee with Jalal show, I think
Yes.
a couple of times. And
Yes.
I think last time we had a rapid fire round.
Oh,
so
yes.
So I won't disappoint you today either.
All right.
So we'll have a little bit
Let's
kind
see
of
how I do.
little bit of the rapid fire round, just
Okay.
just for the fun. Hopefully,
Sure.
So once I ask you, like any questions, like any question, so you just bang on answer.
Okay.
Without even thinking anything
Without
else.
even thinking. Okay.
Okay. So your favorite male singer in Calgary?
Favorite male singer in
In
Calgary.
Calgary.
So Salim wants me to say Salim Punjani. I know that.
Salim. There we go. Okay. So a female singer?
Female singer, I have to say, for sure, Madina Sajan.
Madina Sajan. Eh?
Yeah, I think
I
so.
know. I think when we had that the Kamal Taj thing, I think you were with her too.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, she is a,
Yes.
of course, she is
Yeah.
a really good talent now.
Yes,
You know?
and I think on
She
her, on
like-
the same level as her, it would be Neelam Makhani. I think, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
okay,
both,
nice,
both
nice.
ladies, yeah.
Okay, first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
First thing I do is brush my teeth.
No, after that,
I say my prayers.
you press. Okay, okay. Best dish you cook?
Best dish I cook.
Yeah.
Best dish I cook.
Food.
I make pretty nice steak.
Steak?
I like to cook actually.
Yeah.
So I make a nice karai chicken. I make
Ah.
akni. I don't know what else do you want me to say. Butter chicken.
Okay, so is there any kind of the mogo, anything you do like the
Yeah,
East African dish?
I make East African mogo.
Is that right?
Yeah, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
nice, nice,
yeah.
nice.
Wagarelo, fried, whichever. Yeah.
Okay, do you remember the gift you got from your husband first? Like the first gift you got?
Yes, I
Remember?
do.
Yeah. what
I
was-
got a dress, believe it
Dress?
or not. Yeah.
Dress?
A
Okay.
red dress because red is my favorite color.
And then what did you get back?
I didn't give him anything.
Women always taking it. They never
Yeah,
give
that's
out. eh?
right. That's right.
Okay, if you get a chance to go for a dinner with like with any Bollywood celebrity, so who would you go with?
Shah Rukh Khan,
Shah Rukh.
hands
Hey,
down.
so we are recording today, so it's a Shah Rukh Khan birthday. So happy birthday!
Oh, happy
Shah Rukh
birthday,
Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah.
And yes. And okay, then who was the childhood crush?
Childhood crush.
Yeah, was it Shah Rukh Khan too? or-
Yeah, probably.
Okay, like three things in your bucket list. अभी क्या
Three
करना
things
बाकी
in
है?
my bucket list.
Yeah.
I really do want to go to Africa,
You
and
will-
I want to go to India actually.
India.
I would love to
Ah,
go to India
okay.
and just see all of India, and
Especially
there's so much
Mumbai.
culture.
Yes.
So much culture there,
Yes,
right?
true, yeah.
So I think that's on my bucket list.
Uh-huh.
I would love to perform again on a stage with, hundreds and thousands of people. Of course, that's on my bucket list. I think that's on any musician's bucket
Yeah,
list.
yeah.
Third thing, what else would it be? I think it would just be more traveling. I would love
Yeah.
to just travel
Is that
more.
right? Eh?
Yeah.
Inshallah soon.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. One word for these legends. Whatever comes in your mind. Kamal Taj. What comes in your mind first?
Oh, sir, he's legendary.
Legend.
Living, has given so much to us.
True.
Yeah.
Salim Sulaiman.
Oh, just sensational.
Sensational.
Yeah.
Tawfiq Karmali.
Oh, amazing voice.
Yes. Shabnam Merali.
Oh, outstanding.
Yeah, so-
Outstanding. Outstanding. I actually attended her and Karim Gilani's concert at the Aga Khan
Oh,
Garden
amazing. Is
in
that right?
Edmonton.
Yeah,
Oh,
Aga Garden.
outside concert.
Is
Oh,
it-
it was
is that right, eh?
beyond amazing.
Oh, beautiful. That's good you went.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, yeah. Lata Mangeshkar.
Oh,
What
a
was it?
legend. One and
Legend?
only. One and only.
One and only. That's right. Yeah. Asha Bhosle ji.
And her sister too.
His sister too.
Yeah.
Kishore Da.
Kishore Dar. Oh, so many great hits, so many songs. Wonderful.
Okay, so I'm going to name few artists, the one you see them or the one you watch them during pandemic, So hopefully you know about all this. Farhan Shah.
Farhan Shah, so amazing.
Yeah,
Such a
isn't it?
Great,
This is our Sufi
great,
guy, eh?
great.
Yeah, that's right,
great
yeah.
compilations.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Faisal Amlani.
Oh, they're all so good.
So
yeah.
okay, that's great.
So good.
Taimur Gilani.
Taimur is amazing. Again,
Amazing.
on the show,
Yeah.
he was so great.
That's right. Fatima Qasim.
Fatima Qasim, always. I've known her since I was we both grew up in Calgary
Is
together.
it?
Yeah.
Small world.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you do if you meet Shah Rukh Khan? Okay, what would you ask? First question. I'm giving you a chance. There you go.
What would I say to Shah Rukh Khan? I would ask him to recite some of the lyrics or the screenplay of Kuch Kuch Hota
कुछ
Hai.
कुछ होता है. There you go. तुम नहीं समझोगी फरजाना. कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yeah, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Okay, Big B.
Big B.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Oh, you can't even compare anybody to Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, what would
right?
you ask?
What would I ask him?
Yeah.
I would say, "Kaun banagi crorepati?"
Okay, Alia Bhatt.
Oh, Alia Bhatt, I would say to her that in Kalank, the dance that she did at the very beginning of the movie was really,
Is that right?
really amazing.
Do you dance? Do you?
I don't.
No,
Just regular dance.
but you would
not-
love to, I guess.
I would love to
Yeah,
dance.
I
yeah.
know. It's so.
Maybe that would be on my bucket list.
Oh wow, that's great. And let's say if you woke up one morning, so you are our like in Prime Minister Trudeau, what would you do?
What would I do? That's a very good question.
Easy question, yeah.
That's a very good question.
You are the boss of the
I'm
of
the
the
boss
country.
of the country. I'd look at climate change a little bit different than him, I think.
That's
I better
right.
be careful what I say.
Okay, if you woke up as a mayor of Calgary one day, what would you do?
What would I do? I would really try to help the people in the community that are struggling with homelessness.
True, very well said. And if you woke up as your husband, what would you do?
I turn around, go back to sleep. No, I'm just kidding. I have a wonderful husband.
Too late now. Okay, do you get scary dreams?
Do I get scared? No, I
No, eh?
don't.
Oh,
no.
good for you.
No.
Okay, like 3 things you still remember from Africa.
3 things I still remember.
Ah.
I remember we had a factory with sewing machines, and we would run in the back and forth, and then we would get in trouble for
okay.
running, right? I remember being given really nice hot milk to drink.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
so those are 2 of the things I remember. But I also do remember when we had to flee Africa, I remember my mom holding my hand, and we had to run across the street so fast, and I couldn't keep up with her.
Oh,
So I do remember
Idi
that.
Amin time.
Yes, Idi Amin time. Yeah.
Wow, okay. Wow, kya baat hai. And if I ask you, how was your experience today? Did you enjoy today's show?
Love today's
See, time
show.
nikal gaya. See, it's already half hour. Eh?
Yeah, it went very quick. Thank you.
Okay, what do you want to
really
say before
enjoyed
we
it.
go?
Keep watching Coffee with Jalal
And Gupshup with Jalal.
Gupshup with Jalal and Sur Sarangam Radio. And thank you for all of your service. You said to me that you've been doing the radio show for
12 years,
years.
yeah,
Wow,
12 years.
that's really
And
impressive.
time flies, but I don't know.
Really,
ये
really
वक्त कहाँ
impressive.
गया है, no
Yeah,
clue.
no,
But
yeah, it was really good.
तो जाने से पहले एक और गाना हो जाए.
Oh,
कोई भी
another
any
one.
hit, old song, whatever you prefer, new or old.
Can't think of anything now off the fly. कभी कभी
My favorite.
मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए.
So let's take a selfie. 1, 2, 3. One and only Farzana Khairani Ahmed. Thank you once again for
Thank you.
for
Thank you,
coming
sir.
in and keep rocking.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Yes, इंशाल्लाह. तो फिर मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते नए गेस्ट के साथ, नए आर्टिस्ट के साथ. देखना मत भूलिएगा, देखते रहिए पंजाबी नेशनल टीवी. And I am Jalal from Gupshup with Jalal. Thank you.